Let's see if we can do it. Miss Queen Sunkiss, thank you for being a member of my channel. To Mr. Queen Sunkiss in the house. Mr. Queen Sunkiss in the house. The Miss Queen Sunkiss in the house. The Miss Queen Sunkiss is in the house. So Mr. Queen Sunkiss, yes, I'm here to say your name. But still I'm over here and I'm here to say your name. Your name be coming from the J, oh yes, it come from me. But still I'm over here, I put your name on that B. You over there, you doing things, you doing your things today. I know you doing so fitness and you doing your things your way. But still I'm over here and I'm here to show you love. So now I put your name in that song like a word. So Mr. Queen Sunkiss, yes, I'm saying what I do. So now I'm over here and I want to keep it true. Saying what? Mr. Queen Sunkiss, I want to say this. Everybody, y'all go check it out because we put an interlude in this part. Can we bring it back? I want y'all to go show some love to Miss Queen Sunkiss, if you know what I mean. All these are YouTube people. Let's go. The Miss Queen Sunkiss in the house, though. I'm over here, then yes, I'm saying your name, though. I'm doing this and I do it on my own flow. The Miss Queen Sunkiss in the house and I got more. The flow is slower, but I will pick it up for sure. I'm over here today, oh yes, I said I got some more. So when I say your name, I put it on the radio. The Miss Queen Sunkiss and I gotta show some what. So now that I said your name, you got some multiple channels, you know you bring the game. The home fitness with the ladies in the house. The people talking about you, why I'm here to shout you out. You got the spiritual over there on your mind. Some people talking about like every time. So every time I'm over here to just to kick my rhyme. My rhyme is over here that everybody feeling fine. Say that what? So Mr. Queen Sunkiss, this for you. But still I'm the J and I'm here to shout out you. Oh yes, I'm starting over here, but still I'm over there. Some people telling me that saying that J, he really care. He holding like the mic and he doing with a lean. People talking about her and you got the shoulder lean. Got that what? Mr. Queen Sunkiss is in the house, y'all. Do the intro. Let's go. Can we get that beat back one more time so we get an exit for Miss Queen Sunkiss? The Miss Queen Sunkiss isn't in the house, but still I'm over here. I'm here to shout you out. I want to show some love and show me love from the south. So now I'm over here to shout you out. So Mr. Queen Sunkiss, when I'm here, you in the house. So now I'm over here and I'm here to dang. That's the end of the beat.